In this video, we'll cover how to connect Housecall Pro with QuickBooks, a powerful integration that streamlines your accounting and business management. If you're wondering how to make this connection work for you, stick around as we walk through everything you need to know. Connecting Housecall Pro with QuickBooks allows you to automatically sync your data between the two systems, which can save you hours of manual work each week. You won't have to manually input transactions or worry about syncing your payments, invoices, and customer information. This seamless integration ensures that your accounting stays accurate, up to date, and ready for tax season without any extra hassle. Now, let's dive into the steps to get started with this integration. First, you'll need to have an active account with both Housecall Pro and QuickBooks. Once you're logged into your Housecall Pro account, head over to the Settings tab on the left sidebar. Under the Integrations section, you'll find QuickBooks listed as an option. Click on it, and this will start the process of connecting the two platforms. Next, you'll be prompted to log into your QuickBooks account. If you haven't already connected it, just follow the instructions to allow Housecall Pro to access your QuickBooks account. After that, you'll be asked to authorize the integration by granting permissions for data syncing. Once that's done, you'll be able to choose which QuickBooks account you'd like to sync with Housecall Pro. Most businesses will connect to QuickBooks Online, but make sure you're using the correct account for your specific needs. Once the integration is set up, your customer invoices, payments, and other relevant transaction data will automatically sync from Housecall Pro into QuickBooks, keeping both systems updated. You'll also be able to view all your financials in QuickBooks, including revenue, taxes, and expenses, which makes financial reporting much easier. One of the best things about this integration is the flexibility it offers. For example, you can set up different preferences for how the syncing happens. You can decide whether to sync invoices, payments, or both, ensuring that you're only importing the information you need. If you're new to Housecall Pro, it's an excellent tool for field service businesses. You can manage everything from scheduling to billing and payments, all from one place. The integration with QuickBooks makes it an even more powerful tool, providing you with an efficient way to manage both your field operations and your accounting without bouncing between multiple systems. For those of you who are unsure about trying out Housecall Pro, I've got something special. You can start using the software for free with an exclusive bonus from the link in the description below. This gives you a chance to experience the full functionality of Housecall Pro and QuickBooks integration without paying a cent. This offer is available for a limited time, so don't miss out. And remember, as you explore these features, keep in mind that using Housecall Pro alongside QuickBooks not only saves you time, but helps reduce the risk of human error, ensuring your accounting is as accurate as possible. Plus, the ability to keep track of payments, invoices, and other essential financials in one place is a game changer for small business owners. Before you go, I want to remind you that the link in the description offers you an extended free trial. Take full advantage of the integration between Housecall Pro and QuickBooks and see for yourself how it can transform your business. Don't forget to check it out. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.